Good morning, guys, from North Carolina, Sterling town. So, this morning after rain, guys, like you can see this thing here, the seal flowers look so beautiful. I never pay attention to this, but right now you guys can see it. Bright colors, beautiful with pink colors and with the white color. These plants, it looked amazing. You better have some time, guy. Take a look on this. See things around us and enjoy it. Alright? Before we start, my name Michael Mark. I'm glad to be here to share all this with you guys. And thank you for your coming and visit my channel, Nature and Inspiration. So I love all nature and this nature can inspire me a lot. Let's take a closer look. This thing we forget by now about new technologies, and we forgot to look thing around us. Just a little thing make us happy and enjoy, make our life a different. Alright? Let's take a closer look on this flower guy. You don't have a chance, sit back on your couch and watch it. You can see things around you that we forgot about. This tiny beautiful, but you don't need to spend any money. Yep, just spend your value time to take a look on this. Give yourself a moment to, my point is to share all this nature that we forget to look, to pay a little attention to it. It's so beautiful early in the morning after rain in North Carolina. You can see this view. Scenery is really amazing in nature. I really love. So just take a closer look and get closer to nature. You can see these Japanese sucker flowers. So beautiful it. How beautiful it is, guys. That we forget to look a little thing. See, they're growing for a new leaf, and then they're making for a new flowers. They don't cost you any penny. So all this nature for free. Don't cost you any penny, and just take a look, enjoy things around you, and then make your life different. You can see how beautiful it is. How beautiful. I really love it. So I got my time to share all this with you guys. You know what? Every second take your life away. You cannot get it back. Spend your time. Take a look the things around you. So beautiful and can motivating you, inspiring you, encouraging you to move on to your life. Take a look on my left hand side here. You see, your life seems like these flowers. They start from a new leaf, flowers, blooming. You can see this. If you never pay attention, let's take a look, okay? Oh, God, I can't tell. Nothing to be explained. This is beautiful. Beautiful morning. Very, very beautiful morning. It completely changed my life, changed my vision. You know, all nature cure the mind and then cure your body. You can hear the birds singing early in the morning. See that? Oh God, I cannot tell. Beautiful, beautiful tree. Bright color in the morning. I don't want to take off my camera, guys. That's beautiful. Beautiful bird sound too. Very, very beautiful. Hi, guy. I'm Michael Mark. If you like it, please help to support me. Just help me to subscribe and click the bell. I will see you guys on the next video. I try to share all this and take my time to take all the real pictures and real film and real nature to share in the public. I really love YouTube. Give us the place to share. Same thing like Facebook, but at YouTube it keep going, get more friends and more to share to each other, and then we help each other to get more experience, to learn together. Alright, I have to go, and you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, before you leave, just subscribe and click the bell to get new video when I upload it. Alright guys, see you next video. Bye bye now.